Jetport are canceled. At Portland Jetport, manager Paul Bradbury says right now crews are keeping the runways plowed, but that may change overnight.
2-3 inches per hour, that level of snow accumulation is not something we can keep up with, even with the substantial amount of equipment we have that is very large, and we have some of one of the best teams in the country when it comes to snow removal.
Bradbury also says if all commercial flights are canceled, which could be the case later today, the crews will also stop battling the snow.
The kind of world order that I think all of us would like to see.
And one of the ways it will drive the change is through global governance.
I think the new world order is emerging. This is a hoax and a scam which is designed to transfer wealth and power from the private sector to the government sector and from the government of the United States to a world government.
And those people who have been yelling, oh, the UN's going to take over global
Conspiracy theorists.
They've been crazy, but now they're right.
And who got the money? Hundreds and hundreds of banks. Any bank that has access to the U.S. Federal Reserve's discount.
Tell us who they are.
No.
You know, financial terrorists. They have the ability to tweak the knob.
I am proposing that the Federal Reserve be granted new authority.
The ultimate goal of the carbon tax and the cap and trade is to destroy production.